If a campaign is failing, it's actually failing for a specific reason. It may be the audience cannot relate with the ad that you actually created, the audience doesn't like the video you created, the ad copy is not working, the landing page is not working, but there's certain aspects that I look for when I'm determining if I should kill a campaign. Let's dive right in. So you're probably wondering now, when should I be killing a campaign? So a good rule of thumb with affiliate marketing is 3 to 5 times the payout per variation. So for example, if you're testing an ad set, you want to at least spend 3 to 5 times. If I'm using an ad set and I'm targeting Kim Kardashian, for example, and I'm targeting 2 photos and the offer pays out $5, I want to spend 3 to 5 times that for that actual affiliate offer that I'm promoting. So now keep that in mind when you're actually testing your offers. Now as you're creating your campaigns, I want you to at least have 6 ad sets minimum. Now let's just say, for example, I'm promoting an offer that pays out $50. Now what I would rather you do, instead of using the 3 to 5 times rule, if you're promoting an evergreen offer, test more images, test more ad angles, because I'm going to show you a real example where I actually did that and my campaign profits doubled. A lot of the campaigns that you're going to be building is from your swipe file, all of the research that you've done prior to running your Facebook ads, but what you have to be willing to do, for example, is take the same ad copy but test different images. Take the same ad copy, test a new video. You don't know how your audience is going to react with the new video and the same ad copy. So that's the power of actually testing on Facebook. Now in terms of how much should you be spending daily? Now with Facebook, it's easy to spend a lot fast. I would rather you spend about $5 to $20 per ad set. Now it really depends on how aggressive you want to be. So when we go to Facebook, I have multiple campaigns right here that I was actually testing. Now most importantly, you want to be at least testing $5 to $20 on one ad set that you're actually testing. So we have our campaign, we have our ad sets where we do all the targeting, all the split testing at. So make sure you're doing about $5 to $20 a day. It really comes down to what your budget is. If your budget's higher, then you can be a little bit more aggressive. But if you want to be more conservative, start your Facebook testing off at $5 to $10 in the testing phase. Now with Facebook, what you want to be doing is letting your ads run at least 3 days. So a big mistake that a lot of people make, for example, is they go to GrabAds Media and they say they want to promote a Credit Genie offer, for example, a cost per lead that pays you $3 for someone to actually sign up. So then they finally do all the spying, they do all the due diligence, and they start running. But then what happens is they kill the ads way too early. So what you want to be doing is at least letting your ads run at least 3 days, because on day 1 it may be expensive, day 2 it may be breaking even, may do okay on ad spend, and day 3 you start to notice that your link clicks are super cheap and your campaign is finally starting to optimize. That this ad set, for example, this impression ad set that I tested, is finally starting to optimize after those 3 days of my testing. Now as you're building your Facebook ad campaigns, make sure you're at least testing 5 to 10 ad sets, because we want to be split testing every angle. A good place to start, if you're going to use images for Facebook, use about 2 images. And if you're going to use video, use one video, use one form of ad copy. And if the video is not working, keep the ad copy and just test in a new video, because the audience may react better to a different video with the same exact ad copy. So let's head right over to Facebook. Now take a good look of how the testing was actually going on in this campaign. You can actually even tell I was paying 74 cents on one link click, 14 link clicks. Now yes, it was $10.33 spent. Now this offer paid out $1.40. Now pay close attention, look at the relevance score. We can see with this ad that the cost was going to be way too expensive to keep running, and then even on the click-through rate, the click-through rate was 1.86%. Now the rest of these click-through rates are almost 6 to 7% on the actual click-through rate. So these are some key indicators that we actually need to kill this ad set specifically. And then as you can see, on this ad right here, I was paying 18 cents on a link click, 20 cents on a link click, 26 cents on a link click. The relevance score was actually even better on these ones specifically. The click-through rate was better than these. So ideally, you would want to come right in and kill this ad set all the way. So these are some small indicators on actually looking at your actual ad sets to start to see if they need to be killed. Now, as you're running your Facebook ad campaign, the #1 stat you're going to start to learn is what is the long-term value of a customer. And what that means is how much can I spend to acquire an email, and how many emails am I going to have to collect to actually make money off of that person? So if someone's $1 today, how much are they going to be worth to me in 30 days from now, 60 days from now? Everybody's stats are going to be different. I've noticed on a lot of my campaigns, I can spend all the way up to $2 for an email because I know with my email marketing, my click automations, I can keep sending them emails and I'll eventually make all my profit right back out of the user who joins my email list. Now at the end of the day, it comes to ROI. Is this campaign bringing me ROI? And this is exactly why we test. So let's take a look at one of my active campaigns. So in these ad sets specifically, what I needed to do, instead of just killing the campaign and giving up, I took the same ad copy and I just used a different video. And then what I found based off of that test, the next video converted even better than this one. This campaign was not at the profitability I needed to be. But then when I wrote in the next split test on actually split testing a new video, it actually converted way better. So then we can actually see what this actual campaign that I actually even scaled it up even more based off of the stats and based off of all of the data that I was getting in. So these are some stats to be looking at as you're setting up your Facebook campaigns. Always be willing to test. Do not kill your campaigns too early, and make sure you're actually getting enough traffic to your affiliate offer. For example, if you're getting 100 link clicks to your landing page and you're only getting 10 clicks to your affiliate offer, that is not enough traffic. You need to be increasing the traffic that you're actually getting to your affiliate offer. So pay close attention to that. It may not be the Facebook side. It may just be the landing page side. So you may not have to kill an ad set right away. You just need to make a better landing page. So I'll see you in the next video.